The price of Bitcoin crashed down overnight. However, today it crashed down even more, reaching $28,500. However, we've had a very nice bounce off $28,500, currently sitting at $29,000. And the question is, what's going on? Why is all of this happening? And why was the bounce so significant? I mean, I can show you on Bybit. If I open up Bybit, I can show you basically $150 million worth of volume was generated in a 1 hour candle here, with the majority of it being buying, meaning that $150 million of long positions were opened up on not the BTC USDT pair, it's the BTC USD pair. What significance does that have? That means people that hold Bitcoin are longing Bitcoin right now. It doesn't mean people that hold USDT are speculating the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. Bitcoin holders think that Bitcoin's price is going to go up right now, and that is good news for the market. And if you want more good news, this is a fantastic episode of the TMG Trades Show to watch. I don't know if it's a show or not. Either way, it's on YouTube, and you can slap a like as well if you fancy it. Let's try and get 1 like. Let's try and get 1 comment as per usual. We'll get like 6 comments and 1 like, so that's fantastic. Either way, Bitcoin, positive, very good, nice things in today's video. And I've been working very hard all day, and you probably see it on some of the tabs at the top of the screens today, on another little project, and that little project drops tomorrow. I was expecting it to drop today. However, me being me, I've dug a huge rabbit hole, gone all the way down it, and made a masterpiece. So that's coming to the main channel tomorrow. But today it's time to talk about what is going on here with the price of Bitcoin and everything starting to look a little bit better than what it was doing. I was feeling pretty sad last night when I had to sell some Bitcoin here at $29,300 to pay a bunch of bills. Like literally last night at 1:30 a.m, £240,000 worth of bills coming out. Horrendous. And I thought the price literally pumped up. I was like, oh, I'll sell it now. And then it dropped through the floor. I was like, wow, that was well avoided. Either way, after that drop through the floor last night, Bitcoin's price has just been traveling sideways and downwards. And today, yes, it hit the lows here at $28,500. However, it's had a very nice bounce back to the upside. I think the key thing to be looking at right now is Bitcoin on the higher time frames. You've got to point out on Bitcoin what happens when Bitcoin forms a candle that looks like this, where you've got a red candle, but it's got a large stick at the bottom of that. That's called a bullish hammer candle, where you leave a stick at the bottom and a large bit at the top. Now, where else on the chart do we have bullish hammer candles that we can look at and go, hang on a second, that was a big wick that was left down all the way at the bottom, and then what happened after that? Well, we've got one here, that was a bullish hammer candle where the price rose to the upside, another one here, another bullish hammer candle, another one here, another bullish hammer candle, another one here, another one here. They never form at the top. They never form at like when the price is about to go down, generally. Generally, they don't form when the price is about to go down. We can look at it from a past kind of downtrend here. This is not the same kind of candle that we're experiencing right now. This is a similar kind of candle. This is a similar kind of candle. But you don't tend to end up with a wick at the bottom of a candle like that unless the price of Bitcoin is about to reverse. And that gives me a lot of confidence right now that assuming today we close the day above $29,000, we need that close above $29,000 today, then tomorrow that video is going to be all about opening a Bitcoin long position that I don't currently have. I've got no longs open on the price of Bitcoin right now, but what is going on with the price of Ethereum? Because of course Ethereum price moves as well, and we're really interested in Ethereum's Bitcoin value. And Ethereum's Bitcoin value is this right here. It is down just a tad today, but if we zoom in, this is currently the 4-hour chart, but dropping down on the 15-minute, you can see that again today, or rather last night, the price of Ethereum versus Bitcoin dropped significantly and has since bounced back to the upside. If we increase the time frame to look at a slightly higher time framed candle here to see what's going on, again, it seems like we're forming a bit of a level of support here and looking for another bounce to the upside. So it's likely Ethereum might start outperforming Bitcoin again, and then the entire market starts rallying. It overall looks very good. Even this is looking really good, because a lot of people will go, oh no, that's a bear flag. It's not a bear flag. A bear flag looks like this, where you've got a stock down, trading up, and then another drop to the downside. You would have a flag that's something like this. This is the opposite. This is kind of like a fake bear flag, where you're actually trading downwards, and then you would expect a break back to the upside. And this is why Bitcoin could potentially be more bullish than Ethereum right now. It tends on, well, it depends on how seriously you take Ethereum, the Bitcoin dominance chart here. It's not something that generally you would chart, but it does seem to respond to these levels of support. Like you can see, it's come down here, tested this level, all that good stuff. So I don't know when it comes to Bitcoin dominance, but I do think that Ethereum is probably going to rally a little bit against Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, I think, to be honest, looks like it's due a rally. I mean, it's been a while now. If you actually measure the amount of time when Bitcoin has been stuck going sideways and downwards in this range, taking it from day one to where we are right now, you can see that we've been going 41 days in this trading range right now. That's a very long time to be stuck in a trading range. And either you would expect a break to the downside, or if it fails on its break to the downside, then you would expect a break to the upside. I said in yesterday's video, look, if we lose that $29,000 level, we drop down to $28,500. And if we lose $28,500, game over, we drop very significantly. But we've not dropped significantly yet. We're still holding that level of support. And it looks okay, to be honest. Really don't look that bad. And I don't know why everyone's so bearish. I'm just not that bearish right now. I just don't see it. One of the reasons why I think everybody's bearish right now is because of the way the US dollar's been responding to all of the news this past week, because it's been rallying. This is the 30-minute chart for the dollar, but if we look at it on the daily chart, you can see that the dollar had a very, very significant drop down so far this year, but it's just coming up to retest this level of resistance before getting rejected again. And when it gets to this level of resistance, it might not even get there because it's currently struggling with this moving average. It'll probably get rejected in the next couple of days or so. When that starts heading to the downside, Bitcoin's price likely heads to the upside, and we have another bullish period in time. You can see this chart here. This is after Richard Hart has been sued by the SEC, and you may notice at the top of the page here some tabs open. If you want a little bit of a clue as to what tomorrow's video is about, it's a belter of a video. You should watch it. I spent far too long today looking at Richard Hart content, yeah, gives me the flavour of 2017 in terms of the style of my videos back then, how they've morphed into more financial content. We're taking it back a few years, being a bit more childish in this video, so it's going to be a good one. I enjoy being childish. I might be now 20. How old am I? I'm 27. I think I'm 27. Yes, I'm 27. I was 26. I think I'm 27. That's a good question, actually. I didn't even know which birthday it was. I just had one. I think it's 27. I think that's what it said on my cake anyway. I don't care what year I'm born in. I don't even know where I got onto that topic. Either way, I'm getting massively distracted by how old I am. If you are interested in joining Bybit and trading and stuff, when I'm going to be opening these trades tomorrow, I'm going to be opening them on Bybit. You should check out Bybit. If you're new to the Bybit, then you can check this out. You'll get 27 days to enter into this competition. If you click on the link in today's video description where you can win a Rolex Submariner. This is only open to my community, so it's important to point out about that giveaway that it is only open to TMG subscribers. You don't have to be subscribed technically to the channel, but you do have to sign up on the link below. If you're not signed up on the link below, you're not entered into the competition. You can see people are already winning things. If you go onto the actual page, you can see what's being won so far. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, check that out. The other thing would be, of course, join the World Series of Trading. That kicks off very, very soon. If you want to join my squad, how many people are in my squad right now? I don't think this is the most up-to-date page in the world. We've got 116 people according to this. I guess it's somewhere around there, maybe 120. But it'd be great to have you on board in the World Series of Trading. That all kicks off, and I'm going to make a Telegram group specifically to post all of those trades in. It won't be linked in today's video description, be linked in tomorrow's video description. There is already an existing trading Telegram, but I'll probably make a new one just specifically for the World Series of Trading. So click on that link, make an account, and of course sign up to Bybit, get your Rolex giveaway thing, and then of course join the World Series of Trading. Other things to discuss today: restructuring plan released for FTX International Exchange could go live. This is absolutely fascinating that they're planning on relaunching FTX. What do you think? I don't think it's a bad idea. I just think nobody's going to use it. So I don't know. Could you really think that FTX could again be one of the world's largest exchanges? I just can't see it. Another thing would be that Bald Rugs, Pepe Whale loses almost all 1.8 million investment on Base meme token. Base is Coinbase's chain, and Bald is crashed terribly. And then finally, roughly 64% of Ethereum holders are in a profit as Ethereum celebrates its 8th anniversary. This is a pretty low number compared to historically. I mean, in the past, we've seen 100% of Ethereum investors being in profit when Ethereum is back at $4,000. Currently, only 64%. That's a pretty good number if you are considering dollar cost averaging into cryptocurrency right now. If you are interested in learning more about cryptocurrency for free, go to cryptosavingexpert.com. Very exciting features coming to that very soon. A big exciting launch coming as well. And yeah, it's all starting to warm back up in the world of crypto right now. Even for XTP, that's having a pretty decent day. It's rallying back to the upside, returning back to that 24 Satoshi level. Good to see. Toying with resistance, forming those bull flags and looking for a move to the upside. And again, I was looking at the CoinMarketCap page today for XTP. People really don't like me, do they? They really, really mean. Either way, you can make your own mind up about this stuff. I don't care whether people buy it or not. It's more, I believe in the long-term future of it, and so I'll say that. That's kind of the point of my channel, isn't it? So on that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let's get one like, let's get one comment, and the first few comments I'll reply to you, and if you leave an interesting comment, I'm going to read through them all tomorrow as well, and I'll respond to anything that's particularly standy outy. But on that note, thank you all for watching, and subscribe, please. Goodbye.